How to make a creative wood candle holder. Materials needed: wood block. Choose a hardwood like oak or maple for durability. Drill and drill bits to create holes for candles. Sander or sandpaper for smoothing the surface. Wood finish or sealant to protect the wood, optional. Paint or wood stain for decoration. Tools required: saw for cutting the wood block to size, if needed. Clamps to hold the wood while you work. Measuring tape for precise measurements. Pencil for marking. Steps: 1. Select your wood. Choose a block of wood that suits your style. A size of about 6 by 6 inches is a good starting point. 2. Cut the wood, if necessary, if your wood block is too large. Use a saw to cut it down to your desired size. 3. Mark the candle holes, using a measuring tape. Mark where you want the candle holes. Typically, 1 to 3 holes work well. 4. Drill the holes, using a drill and the appropriate drill bit. Carefully drill holes into the wood where you marked. Ensure the holes are deep enough for the candles to fit securely. 5. Sand the surface. Use a sander or sandpaper to smooth out the edges and surfaces of the wood. This will prevent splinters and give a polished look. 6. Add finish or stain. Apply a wood finish or stain to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. Allow it to dry completely. 7. Insert candles. Once the finish is dry, insert your candles into the holes. Consider using tea lights or pillar candles for a clean look. 8. Decorate, optional. Feel free to add decorative elements like paint, carvings, or additional embellishments to personalize your candle holder. Conclusion: your creative wood candle holder is now complete. Place it on a table or shelf to add a warm, inviting glow to your space. Enjoy your handmade decor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own creations in the comments. Happy sculpting!